Hey guys, in this video we'll be unboxing and taking a quick look at Poco M2 Pro. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom. So taking a look around the box, we have the branding on both the sides of the box, and on the upper side we have a price and the manufacturing and all the other details of the phone. The price on the stage is of 17,000 but it's available for less. On the back side we have the few specification highlights of the phone. So packaging of Poco M2 Pro is kinda similar to the Poco M2 itself. So taking off the lid itself, we have another box. Beneath it we have Poco M2 Pro itself. Removing the plastic, we can see that the phone is quite lighter than the Poco M2. And we have a quad camera setup back with the LED beneath it, and then there's a sticker of IMEI and all. On the left hand side of the phone we have a triple slot of two SIMs and one memory SD card. Now taking a look at the other content of the boxes, let's keep the phone aside. In the yellow box we have some paperwork and user manual with the SIM ejector tool on the top of it, and also the phone comes with the TPU case, which is always a good addition in the box. Moving on to the other content of the box, we have a 33 watts fast charger included in the box with the Type C to micro USB-A cable included in the box. The cable has a nice OnePlus-ish red finish inside. Now keeping the box content aside, let's take a look at the phone. But if you're liking the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom. Now moving on. The phone runs on Android 10 out of the box with MIUI 11 loaded on it. The MIUI 12 is scheduled to come later this year on the phone. Now if we talk about the cameras, the Poco M2 Pro comes with a quad camera setup of 48 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. And on the front we have a punch hole selfie camera of 16 megapixel which can shoot video of 1080p up to 120 fps. Now if we talk about the display of the phone, it comes with the IPS LCD Full HD Plus panel of up to peak brightness of 395 nits. The fingerprint sensor isn't in display or neither the back rear mounted. Indeed, it's a side mounted fingerprint into the power button. The phone comes with a Snapdragon 720G and starts at Rs 40,999.